Today we're going to be talking about launch pools. I do not know if you've been following, but we have two videos on the channel that are highlighting launch pools. I have done a video on how to earn free Manta tokens. That was one of them, a Binance launch pool. I have another one, how to earn free tokens on the alt layer. And guys, today I'm back with another video with another launch pool, the Pixels launch pool. Did you know you can get free tokens on Binance because of your existing crypto portfolio? Binance Launchpool is a section on Binance that guides new crypto startups on how to best launch their project into the market and advertise their tokens. Today's launch pool is Pixel, and I've decided to do this launch pool differently because it's exciting. In this video, I want you to understand three main concepts: how Web3 gaming works, how to play the game, and how to earn free Pixel tokens on Binance. Web3 is the new generation of internet technology that heavily relies on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. It gives users more control of their online data. In the gaming industry, games are either on Web 2, which is basically the birth of social media, user-created content based on centralized websites, also known as the interactive internet, or Web3. Examples of Web 2 games are Fortnite. Examples of Web3 games are Sandbox, Decentraland, and in this case, Pixels. Differences between Web 2 and Web 3 games. Web 2 games are centralized. These platforms are typically controlled by a central authority. They are user-generated content. It allows users to create and share content within predefined boundaries. Limited interoperability. You cannot interact between different platforms. Monetization. You often rely on in-game purchases or advertising revenue. But for Web3 games, they are decentralized. They operate on blockchain technology, user ownership. You have true ownership of the digital assets, also known as NFTs, and you can even trade them in the game. Interoperability, you have seamless interactions between different virtual worlds and applications. And finally, the play to earn system. Users can earn tokens by participating in the ecosystem. Pixels is a new Web3 game. It involves farming, exploration, and creation. And I want to show you guys a sneak peek of how this game looks like. It actually looks pretty interesting and fun. Let me take you guys into a small deep dive.
I've loaded up my farm with it ready to be harvested. There's one spot that didn't sprout. I forgot to refresh the screen after watering it. I don't have any seeds at all right now, so I'm going to harvest everything real quick. When you harvest your berries and grumpkins, you get back 2 seeds for each. Zooming out with your browser allows you to see more of your map at once. You can plant, water, and harvest from anywhere on the map. You don't actually need to be near any of the plots.
As you guys can see, the Pixels game is ideally like a farming world. From what I could tell, you have pieces of land, you can harvest, you can plant, you can water, you can get seeds. It's a whole farming experience. And I found this link that actually explains what the game is about. The game is called Pixels, and then the token in the Pixels game is Pixel. It is a captivating, open-ended world of farming and exploration. If you're a farmer but you don't want to farm offline, you want to farm online, please, I'm hooking you up, guys. I'm hooking you up to Pixels. Aim is to create a fun, easygoing, blockchain-backed game, and they believe Pixels will be the gateway for millions into Web3. If you want to play Pixels, I'm going to show you how to play this game. You come to, again, I'm going to put this link in the description box below. Definitely have a look at it. Pixels is a metaverse for the NFTs you already own. You can actually launch your NFTs and mint your NFTs in the Pixels game and be able to play with your actual NFTs in the game. For you to play, click there. How do you log in? It would be best if you signed in with your MetaMask. If none of your NFTs are supported, you can still play the game and you can customize your character. How to move in the game, how to select and equip, how do you start a quest, and all that jazz. So this is how the game generally look like, and you would click play for free. Obviously, you'll have to sign in with your phone or email, or you'd connect with Ronin because that's the network that they're built on. They also have tips and tricks of how to play the game with actual live YouTube videos on how you can farm faster, or just a walkthrough of how the game is. If you'd like to play and get started, I have put the link in the description box below. Definitely do check it out if you are a fan of gaming or Web3 games, or better yet, farming. Okay, at this rate, if you can't farm offline, you might as well farm online. Now let's proceed to the next step. I'd like to explain to you guys about the game and how exactly you're earning free tokens, because it is a play to earn game. They have 2 tokens that are inbuilt in the ecosystem of Pixels. One of them is Berry. So Berry is basically the primary in-game currency, and it's just vital in assisting you to play the game. It's very accessible and it is easily earned in the game. So one of the tokens is Berry, and then the main token is Pixel. So Pixel is the premium in-game currency. It is used as well in the game to buy items, upgrades, cosmetic enhancements. How are you able to acquire a Pixel token? 100,000 new pixels will be minted each day, and the new pixel will be distributed to active players that are engaging in the desired behavior pattern that benefits the pixel system. They will be doing a daily distribution for completing various tasks or quests or finding a specific item. Pixel is a new crypto startup in the Web3 game play to earn space, and they have raised $4.8 million in 3 rounds as of February 8th, 2024. The Pixel Tokenomics, you can see that the token type is an ERC20 Ronin. Ronin built itself on top of the Ethereum blockchain as a layer 2 solution. Pixels, it being a game built on Ronin, uses the layer 2 mechanics of Ronin on Ethereum. This means players can actually interact with the game without worrying about high gas fees that Ethereum has. If the game was built on top of Ethereum directly, it would be expensive, but they've used Ronin as a bridge to help them reduce the gas fees, but also still use the mechanics of the Ethereum blockchain. The total token supply is 5 billion with an initial circulating supply of 15.42. 7% of this supply has been allocated for the Binance Launchpool. The team plans to unlock the remaining 84.6% by January 2030. The majority of the distribution is allocated as follows: the ecosystem and the reward system of the game, which is 34%. So basically the money is coming back to the players. Treasury is 17%, private sale investors 14%, team 12.5%, advisors 9.5%, Binance Launchpool 7%, Alpha Rewards 5%, and liquidity 1%. Why are you earning free Pixel tokens? Pixels is a new crypto startup. It's using Binance as a way of marketing their project. Why? They get access to the entire Binance ecosystem, which provides a very global exposure to their project. Binance is one of the largest leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and therefore offers a vast community of crypto holders and investors, and therefore startups can gain access to this entire ecosystem, which will not only boost their visibility but also the adoption of their project. Crypto startups love to launch their projects on Binance is the credibility and review process. Going through Binance's review and listing selection criteria adds credibility to your project, and basically investors trust that Binance's vetting process is of good sound, therefore enhances the project's reputation. So for Pixels, them giving you these free tokens is because, one, they have a chance to market their project to you through Binance. Therefore, being part of the Binance ecosystem, either as a crypto trader or a crypto investor, allows you to have a seat at the table to share in the rewards that the project has allocated to the Binance Launchpool. Allocation is set aside for Binance is 7%. Now, how do they allocate these rewards? 150,000 tokens. 80% of the tokens are given to the BNB stakers 20% of the tokens are given to the FDUSD stakers. It doesn't matter who you decide to stake with, if you decide to stake your FDUSD or if you decide to stake your BNB. What matters most is the size or the amount of money that you stake. If you have a bigger amount in FDUSD, you will attract a bigger reward of pixel tokens. If you have a bigger amount in BNB, you will get a bigger amount of pixel token. What do you need, okay, to get these free pixel tokens? You definitely need to have a verified Binance account. You cannot access the Launchpad or Launchpool if your account is fairly new or if it is not verified. Second thing, if you don't have an account, kindly create an account using the link in our description box below. 3, if you do not have these coins already in your wallet, then I would advise you to purchase. You could either purchase BNB or purchase FDUSD. All you need to do is go to your Binance platform, click P2P, toggle it to FDUSD, find a trader that you can buy from and buy your FDUSD tokens. Now, when you have these tokens in your wallet, proceed to the next step, which is stake your coins. Go to the Binance Launchpad, look for the Launchpool pixels, then stake your FDUSD to redeem free pixel tokens. That is basically how you will get a chance to get some free pixel tokens, and I'd ask you guys to definitely participate in this launch pool. Now, for me as a crypto coach investor, what I have done is I often have floating cash in FDUSD and investment cash in BNB, and I leave it in my wallet for such opportunities to find me, because I will be able to stake and get access to free upcoming projects. What you need to note is there is a farming period. So the farming period is the duration at which free tokens are distributed ideally to you and me. The farming period for this project was 10 days. As I'm shooting this video, we're probably at 5 days and a few hours to go. Participate. So please note that it was opened on 9th February, 3 a.m. East African time, and the farming period will end 18th February at 3 a.m. East African time. After the pools close, Binance will then list the coin for people to trade it, and you can trade using BTC, USDT, BNB, FDUSD, and TRY. Also, when a new coin is listed, you will see it tagged as seed tag. This is mainly to just remind you that it's a new project and there'll be a lot of volatility. I hope you participate in the Binance Pixel Launch Pool, and if you're not able, you can definitely check out the Pixel game and start farming online. In conclusion, guys, if you want to get more information about Binance, Binance Launch Pools, or just generally investing in crypto, or just understanding the crypto markets and how money flows into this space, I'd like you guys to subscribe to our channel and definitely watch this video right here if you want to get acquainted with launch pools. I have 2 videos that I have shared prior. This is my 3rd project right now, and I'd like you guys to check out for you to understand what launch pools are all about. I'll see you guys there in just a second.